This is the view. I am tired. You guys see this? That was some chain lubing ceremony on what highway is this? The airport highway. Okay guys, so we are going on a ride to Avalabetta or Avalabetta, not sure. I'm with Manoj. Hi bro. We have 83 more kilometers from here. The ETA is 7:31. I mean that's I don't know about that. Okay, it is 21 degrees Celsius. Okay, it's kind of okay. And the rain possibility is 40% at 7 a.m. So let's see how that goes. Okay, so I forgot to say the time. It is 5:54 a.m. in the morning. Okay, a tip from my side is always carry chain lube. It will help you a lot, especially during this monsoon season. I don't even know what season this is, because what the hell is going on in Bangalore? I personally use a Royal Enfield chain lube. I know it's pretty expensive, but yeah, I didn't get Motul, and that's the reason I bought this. The weather looks so bad. I know it's gonna rain eventually, but we'll have to live with it. So if you are my frequent viewer or if you're my subscriber, you probably know that I'll be doing a long ride this month. So I'm revealing the date right now. It is 31st of this month. It's gonna be about 3 to 4 days of a ride. I haven't planned everything exactly. No precise planning as of now. That's the point of the traveling. You know, you shouldn't have an exact planning. It's just traveling should just take you. I don't know what I'm saying, but yeah. So I'm gonna be taking an interesting route, which people don't usually take. It's a forest route, and I'm riding solo, by the way. Manoj is not gonna come with me. So that's gonna be even more interesting. I don't know what's coming for me, but I'm really stoked for the ride. Let's see how it goes. I know it's gonna go pretty well. You know, you need to always be positive about things. Yeah, so the total ride, the total up and down, it's going to be about 1,800 to 1,900 kilometers. I would really like to see your guesses in the comment section below, so do it right now. So we just took a tea break. We have 60 more kilometers and it's gonna take us 1 hour 8 minutes. Really? So soon? Okay, so I guess it's just pure highway, so it must be boring for you guys. So you know what I'm gonna do now, right? This is going to my Instagram stories. Follow me on. The whole vibe today is just so good. Just feels so active and energetic, you know. The climate is good. We still have 9.7 kilometers of this beautiful road. What is this? Off-road sesh? An off-road session? I mean, it's not off-road. There's no tar on this, that's all. And we are back on the road. This is locked. Okay. Oh, I was just worried for a bit. So we are walking up the stairs right now. Oh my god. This is so tiring. Alva Guru?
My shishya.
Look at this. It's a bit tiring because we have a tank bag, as you can see, and also the helmet and also the jacket. It's really uncomfortable. I'm seriously out of my breath right now, and this place actually looks good, feels good, gives a good vibe. I hope I don't fall, you know. So this is what we are doing right now. I'm just sitting on this bench. Look at that guy. Okay, let's go. Look at that. വീഴാതിരുന്നാൽ കൊള്ളാം. ലാസ്റ്റ് വീഡിയോയിൽ ഞാൻ ലേശം മലയാളം സംസാരിച്ചപ്പോൾ കുറേ കമൻസ് വന്നു, മലയാളിയായിരുന്നോ അറിഞ്ഞില്ല എന്നൊക്കെ പറഞ്ഞ്. അതെ, ഞാൻ മലയാളിയാണ്. ഐ എം ഫ്രം ട്രിവാൻഡ്രം. എനിക്ക് ഇത്രയും മലയാളം വ്യൂവേഴ്സ് ഉണ്ടോയെന്ന് ഞാൻ അറിഞ്ഞില്ല. താങ്ക് യു ഫോർ ദ ലവ്. അയ്യോ, this is the view. I am tired. You guys see this?
Peace.
We have a bit more to go. You know what? Let's do this. Look at this dude. I am Mr. Strong now. Yo, this is an actual road, but they cannot let the bikes in. Ida Guru.
Hey. Illide nodu metlu.
Ide. This is the final stretch to there. What is this? Sri Dhenugiri Lakshmi Narasimha Swami Avalabetta, Chikballapura. I hope I read all of this correct. So technically we should have brought our bikes over there and parked it over there, but it's goddamn closed. So we walked for 1.5 kilometers. 1.5 kilometers of uphill is not that easy, okay? I might do videos like downhill run, uphill run. That is all good. Nora takes care of all of that. But this, I have to use my own legs. Okay, finally, after a long detour, we reached. We even went further up to find this place, but then it was down below. It was just waste of energy and time going up there. My god, this is insane. ಇದಿಟ್ಕೋ ತಲೆ made it. Okay guys, so this is the view and there's also an illegal entry, so we are going right now. How is this? Hello Gana. So yeah, we are leaving the place right now. We met these three brothers, super cool guys, man. Helped us take some photos and yeah, we are going back to the road right now. As you guys can see, this is the road, and I guess that's it for the video. I hope you guys liked the video. The view was insane, but the only thing was the trekking was not good. It is so tiring. I wish they let our bike still here. So yeah, Ashitane done. So you guys know the drill. Like the video, share the video, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye.